I certainly hope that this doesn't lead to people being turned away from healthcare.
Ontario health card renewals were extended over the past 2 years due to the pandemic. But over the holidays, Service Ontario letters went out saying it's time to renew them and you must hold a non-expired card by February 28th. Now, for those who have a valid driver's license with their current address on the back, online renewal is possible. Everyone else must do so in person.
Maybe this isn't the best time to be doing this kind of thing. We're still dealing with the Omicron wave.
Health justice activist Dr. Nahid Dosani says it's impractical to expect people to show up in person to renew health cards right now, especially those who face structural vulnerabilities.
There are significant barriers in getting access to ID for people, transportation, money, the time that people may not actually have because they're working, for example, or people who are dealing with mental illness or cognitive impairment.
Dr. Dosani also points out another stumbling block for those who need accommodations.
A lot of people had supports also that they don't have right now because of the pandemic. For example, a caseworker or a volunteer support system that may not be there because people are at home, people are isolating and dealing with the consequences of this pandemic.
Seniors also face similar challenges, especially as schools reopen.
Many older people are self-isolating, and so family members like adult children who may have been able to help their vulnerable older parent may not be able to do so now because of fear of exposure because their kids are back in school.
Laura adds that even if online renewal was made available to everyone, older adults may have trouble navigating those systems. The issue is further compounded for those facing literacy or language barriers. She feels enforcing the renewal deadline in February is ill-timed and counterintuitive.
This timeline makes no sense whatsoever. We're asking people to stay home and take care of their health. But to renew these, you have to do the exact opposite thing. So what we need to do is extend this timeline well into the spring where weather is better and Omicron has lessened.
Now, we did reach out to the Ministry of Health about a possible extension to the deadline, but they did not respond to our request before airtime. We'll keep this story updated on our website, citynews.ca. For City News, I'm Dilshad Burman.